naman natin there's no question about anti-political dynasty kasi everyone agrees that is already that in the Constitution. What we are now discussing is which degree of civil relationship should we actually implement, no, introduce in the law. That would be the basis to provide legal definition of what constitutes anti-political dynasty. Would it be second degree, or civil consanguinity and affinity, or fourth degree, civil relationship, no, consanguinity and affinity. So basically yun po yung pag-aaralan natin. So far, of all the 24 versions, majority of the versions that we received, second degree yung pinopropose na prohibition, civil ban, no, prohibition relationship. And well, the rest, I think kung di ako nagkakamali, 16 or 17 bills that propose yung second degree prohibition. The rest are fourth degree. May basis naman din tayo. I think may existing law na rin tayo, and I've mentioned this many times over. Sa SK law, second degree, pati na rin yung sa BAR, electoral code, second degree. So, if we follow the dictation na democracy rules by numbers, as majority na propose ng second degree civil relationship prohibition.